Okay, so why are we Create Tailwind? Why is the company called Create Tailwind? And here's a really simple answer is most of us are fighting a headwind when it comes to how we think about money, how we think about our lives, how we think about abundance, how we think about who we are, our self-worth. We're fighting a headwind. Why is there this headwind? Because it's noise out there. It's the noise is the headwind. We're not tall enough. We're not lean enough. We're not rich enough. But do you want more? If you want more, just call us. That's what the commercial would say. Flow your money to us and we'll help you because you can't do it on your own. What Create Tailwind is about is empowerment and about abundance and having a wind behind you, pushing you. Somebody, some organization that cares about your success. And we're going to be like a tailwind pushing you towards your vision and your and success, whatever success means to you. So just go to community.createtailwind.com and check it out. See for yourself.